Artificial intelligence has brought a new era of creativity and efficiency in design, which offers a vast array of tools to meet a variety of practical and creative objectives. These tools use machine learning algorithms to produce complicated designs, automate tasks, and improve cooperation between artists and designers. This is a thorough examination of 10 AI design tools that will influence creative industries in the future. 1. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is seamlessly integrated throughout the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. With features like intelligent object selection across several Adobe programs and automated content-aware fill in Photoshop, it gives designers more power. For instance, Adobe Sensei in Photoshop helps users to quickly and easily eliminate undesired features from photographs, saving their time during post-processing activities. It operates within Adobe's ecosystem and can only be accessed with a Creative Cloud membership, which starts at $9.99 a month. 2. Canva. Canva's user-friendly platform uses AI to make it easier to create designs of high quality and made graphic design more accessible to a wider audience. It provides an extensive collection of templates for presentations, marketing materials, and social media graphics. Canva's AI-powered Magic Resize tool automatically adjusts designs for diverse formats, ensuring consistency across all devices. Small businesses and non-designers notably benefit from its straightforward interface and rich design capabilities. Canva is fully online and available through web browsers and iOS and Android mobile apps. The basic version of Canva is free, while a Canva Pro subscription costs $12.99 per month. 3. Autodesk Generative Design. By employing AI to optimize designs based on user-defined limitations and performance objectives, Autodesk Generative Design transforms industrial design and engineering. It uses topological optimization to produce designs that are both structurally sound and lightweight, making it perfect for use in the automobile, aerospace, and architectural industries. Autodesk Fusion 360, which has subscription levels starting at about $60 per month, is the platform that engineers and architects utilize to take advantage of these advanced design features. 4. Runway ML. Artists and designers may include machine learning models in their creative workflows with the help of Runway ML. With pre-trained models available for everything from image production to style transfer and more, it provides a varied model marketplace. With Runway ML, users can train unique models and collaborate in real time, opening new possibilities for interactive art and digital media. Runway ML is a desktop application available for Windows and Mac OS. A Runway Pro subscription, starting at $24 per month, grants access to premium features and models. The basic version of Runway ML is available for free. 5. Figma. Figma's AI-driven capabilities expedite the generation of UI/UX prototypes, designs, and revolutionized collaborative interface design. Figma's extensive prototype features with advanced animation options and auto-layout technology automates the arrangement of design pieces and is beneficial for design teams. Through its cloud-based platform, Figma enables real-time collaboration among distant teams, whether working on web or mobile interfaces. For individuals with little projects, it provides a free edition, but for professional teams, Figma Pro starts at $12 per editor every month. 6. Artbreeder. Through the use of AI techniques like picture blending, style transfer, and genetic algorithms, Artbreeder facilitates collaborative image creation and modification. Using Artbreeder, makers and artists may create one-of-a-kind digital artworks and illustrations by combining and transforming photos into inventive compositions. With a dependable internet connection, anyone can access it from anywhere in the world as a web-based platform. The base version of Artbreeder is available for free, while access to extra features and higher resolution outputs requires a $14.99 monthly subscription to Artbreeder Plus. 7. Deep Dream Generator. Based on user inputs and preferences, Deep Dream Generator uses nervous networks to produce strange and abstract visuals. It has tools like Dreamify, which alters photos to give them a dreamlike quality, and it provides customization choices so users may create unique artistic results. People experiment with Deep Dream Generator to produce surreal artwork, abstract designs, and inventive visual interpretations. Deep Dream Generator is compatible with most web browsers and offers a free basic version as well as premium capabilities for $7.99 a month. 8. Exponential Design. Exponential Design focuses on automating creative operations in digital marketing with AI-powered solutions for creating personalized content and improving marketing campaigns. Using AI to boost engagement and campaign efficacy, marketers utilize exponential design to develop tailored ads, social media visuals, and promotional materials. It functions as an online platform that can be integrated with different marketing tools and has subscription-based pricing dependent on the demands of the company. 9. Design Hill Logo Maker. Design Hill Logo Maker uses AI-powered design suggestions and customizable templates to make logo creation easier for individuals and businesses. Users can choose from a large selection of logo templates and alter the layouts, colors, and fonts to better represent their brand. Design Hill Logo Maker's user-friendly interface and cost-effective pricing options, which include a free basic usage model and premium packages with high-resolution downloads starting at $20 per logo, are advantageous for startups and small enterprises. 10. Artomatics. Artomatics specializes in applying AI-driven procedural generation techniques to automate the creation of textures and materials for 3D artists and game developers. It speeds up game development and animation workflows by producing complex textures and materials, which improves the effectiveness and practicality of digital content creation. Artomatics, a desktop application for Windows and Mac OS, works smoothly with well-known 3D programs like Unity and Unreal Engine. Subscription-based pricing based on individual or enterprise-level needs is offered. These AI-designed tools are a prime example of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing creative processes by providing advanced solutions that meet a wide range of design requirements in many industries. With the help of these technologies, designers and artists may push the limits of creativity and efficiency in the digital era, whether it's by improving the development of visual material, automating difficult design processes, or encouraging collaboration with international teams.